Hi guys, today we are going to be doing some cooking.
Now remember kids, this is dangerous.
Do not do this at home, especially not in a fursuit.
Okay, I did slice myself open. Okay, we're fine though.
I love Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Yes.
To mince some garlic.
I am so sorry. Haha. It's time to mash some taters. I'm gonna milk it for the camera. Potatoes do like being thick.
Me too. No, I'm kidding.
What? Okay. I need to stay focused. Oh, my cheese!
Stay alive.
Look how good they look.
My get.
Sorry, there's a lot of smoke. Oh my god. Mushrooms are a scam. Some people prefer A1. I want to be fancy. Cheese tax. There you go. And now there's cheese all over my fingers and I can't lick them. Himalayan pink salt on top of the steak. Now it's gourmet. I usually just wait for it to start coming out and then I just whip it across the meat. That is like a 10 out of 10 plate right there. Bye, love you so much. Be good.